Because we have reached this point of total limitation, we also reach the point of evolutionary necessity. This evolutionary necessity of the Earth's noosphere is what precipitates cosmic history, and within that, cosmic science. Cosmic science was an extraterrestrial precipitation that occurred on Earth in 1969 and 1970 through a Colombian engineer, Enrique Castillo Rincon. Not coincidentally, these were the same years that the whole Earth consciousness was formed, when the human developed a feedback mechanism to see Earth from space. This created a noospheric activation that was received as a signal in the higher dimensional circuitry of the AA Midway Station, the place of the Earth Guardians, and then into the circuitry of the higher dimensions. At that point, the Earth attained a minute but significant point of self-reflective consciousness. It saw itself. That precipitated the descent of cosmic science, which was timed to the embryonic origination of the superhuman Homo noosfericus. The actual conceptualization or conception of the superhuman occurred specifically on solar moon 1 of the electricity year, March 7, 1970, kin 188. This was the actual conception of the superhuman. Between this time and 2012, there is a 42-year noogenesis, 6 cycles of 7 years or 7 cycles of 6 years, until the actual emergence of that superhuman Homo noosfericus. The cosmic science transmission was the signal that the gestation period had begun. The evolutionary necessity of the Earth triggered the avataric descent of cosmic science, or the descent of extraterrestrial intelligence. In 1986, while the closer of the cycle was immersed in meditation of the resonant telepathic field of Votan, cosmic science fell into his hands. This is an important point, as Votan forms one of the synchronic nodes of transmission. As Volume 1 points out, the whole of cosmic history is a revelatory phenomenon, a beacon owing the fantastic mind of the enigmatic Votan. Divine or avataric descents are not random matters. The synchronic codes of the law of time show that everything is related by different mathematical ratios. In fact, all great teachers throughout history are part of a unified matrix when viewed through the lens of the synchronic order. It is through the higher telepathic meditation that all revelation, including cosmic science, becomes manifest as a function of different coordinates of the synchronic codes. Everything that has happened in our spiritual and mental history points to the law of time and the harmonic history of all the teachings and teachers. All are functions of one harmonic matrix. The forgetful or confused mind cannot perceive this. This is why many people think synchronicity is random or off limits to modern science, when in actuality it is the galactic norm.